All right, it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. End of the week. That quick. That was fast. We got 3 seconds left before this market open. All right. We're coming up to resistance right here. At 139.35. Hope y'all having a great morning. Hope you're having a good start to your morning. We're coming up to resistance. We got support right down here. We just broke the resistance on the 1 minute chart. Can we finish green on the day? That's what we want to do. We want to finish green on the day. Right at 140. Well, no, 139.50. $139.60. $138.84. Lower shadow. Gotta be careful on Fridays. $138.63. 137.95. We're right at the support of 138. $137.95. 137.88. There go the breakdown. Can we keep it going? 137.71. Look for the breakdown. %. On that breakdown. Man, will we go for another one? 19% on that breakdown. Almost a home run, bro. Almost another home run. I think we're going to kill it with that on this Good Friday. We're going to end it with that. Yeah, I think that's it. Really, really great week. Another 19%, almost another home run. Every single day we've been doing home runs. What a great week. What a great week after Memorial Day. Let's see. Coming back. This is now resistance. Let me move this up. That's now the support. $137.52. So we got Microsoft about to go red. $137.50. $137.40. Go another breakdown. Golly. All the EMAs and the VWAP pointing down. This is just a momentum play. Just going with the momentum of the flow of going down. That's all that was. The break of the support and just going on with the momentum flow of the play. The first 20 minutes, no, the first 10 minutes of the market being open. Right at support right now. Trying to see. I think that's going to be it for me. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. Just that one is good for me. Just the end of the week. The end of a great week. Let's see. Let's look at something else. Let's see what the SPY got going on. SPY is holding up good on the support. SPY is holding up good on the support. Yeah, SPY is holding up good. Well, when we're looking for more downside on NVIDIA, 137.33. Yep, more downside. $137.27. On NVIDIA. More downside. There you go. More downside. $137.10 to the downside. Let's see what the next candle gonna tell us. $137.10. There go the next candle. We got a little lower shadow. 137.08. Down almost 1.5%. $137.08 is the low of the day. Let's see. We're right at the next support of 137. Yeah, 137 is the next support line. 137. And we break it. We break it. 137 is that next support area. $137 was the next support area. As we can see right here. This area right here is the next support area. The thing is, when we break down up under 135, when we break down up under 135, oh, whoa. Wow. 136.30. The breakdown of that support of 137. That's what did it. $136.32 is the low of the day. We broke the 137, 136.75. And then right at 136. It's the next areas. We got a big lower shadow right here. Trying to see what we got next. Look like we're going down even further. $136.50. $8:47 in the morning, barely been open 20 minutes. We got big action. $136.50 right there. Everything else is red except Microsoft. Well, we ain't even, Walmart and Dollar General. But the main honchos are red except Microsoft. Except Microsoft. We had great movement to the downside. And there go the EMAs and the VWAP pointing down again. Will we break that support right there for more downside? $136.32 is the low of the day. While we going through wishy-washy, I could check some things out. See, we're in another crucial area right here. That 135. The 135 area. It's your crucial area. Yeah, that 135 area. Major support. Right there. That's what I'm looking at. Will we go up under 136.32? We at support. The thing is, will they bring us all the way back down? See, I got this thick line here for a reason. That 135. $136.03. Another breakdown. Another 14% on that breakdown. Woo-hoo. We had to take it. Just went with the flow and the momentum. Another 14%. Dang. Should have stayed in. Another 14%. I was looking for a serious breakdown. We're just going with the momentum. The flow of the candles going down. That's all that was. But 33% on the day. Now that's it for real. That's it for real. The steam is going out on the shorts going down. Yeah, the steam is starting to go out. The steam is starting to go out. Now everything is red. Microsoft is now red. What a great week. Yeah, what a great week. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Another great week. Well, on this today, we just went with the momentum on the short side, just taking it all the way down. Whenever we see a big red candle, we just jump in with a tight stop loss. And guess what? 33% on the day, just riding it all the way down. Just riding it all the way down. We just went with the momentum, knowing it's Friday. We see that everything, all the EMAs are pointing down. We just went with the momentum, the flow of the candles all the way down. 2 trades, 33%. Another great day. Another great day. Every day this week been home runs. Every single day. Which is great. Let's see what's this is now. See resistance right here. Well, it looks like we're gonna go down even further. Let me get this out of the way, because I'm thinking now they're gonna push us down to 135. Yeah, I'm thinking now they're gonna push us down to 135. This thick line right here, I might as well move this one too. Boom, 135. This 135 area is the next crucial area right here. Let's see. If we break 135, man, to the downside. If we break 135, it's over. I'm gonna sit here and watch this. I'm not gonna trade no more. I'm done. So I'm just gonna watch to see if we get back down here to this big support line right there of 135. I think we're headed there, guys. 135. We're headed there. Let's go see what the S&P 500 is doing. Holding up that support area. This crucial support area right here. S&P 500 has broken it, but it's trying to hold it up. The next area is 586 on the S&P 500. Man, we got up close to almost 600, bro. Almost 600. But of course, it's going to be pullbacks. Tesla's so happy that Elon Musk is finally back. Elon Musk said, forget that, I'm going back to my company. Okay, Microsoft. Facebook. Yeah, Facebook right here. Let's see what's going on today. Not too much. Not too much. Let's see. See what's going on. Hope everybody doing good. Appreciate you for joining me as always. Been short since 139.50. Let me see. 139. Let's see. That's on the 30-minute. Let me look on the monthly. $139.50. $139.50. I'm trying to. I think 139.50 must be from way back when. $139.50. Yeah. 139.50 goes way back February. All right. So 139.50. We're on the 5 minute now. Let me get back to the 1 minute. See what's really going on. Now we right at 9 o'clock on a Friday. 30 minutes in, man. It's been a lot of action to say. We 30 minutes in. That's it. Only 30 minutes. 30 minutes in. That's it. "30 minutes in." That's it. Look like we're building some. Let me move this. Look like we're trying to build support to go back up. Right at 136 to make a move back up. That's what it looks like, guys. Can we get above that 20? Can we get above this 20 EMA? Let's see. We got to get above that 20. Can we get above that 20? Above this line right here to push it on up. We got a good bounce off the 136. The thing is, will they push it down to 135? Microsoft is back green as of right now. Microsoft is back green. Okay, we try to get above the 20. There we go. Back above the 20. I ain't gonna do no. I only did my 2 trades. I think that we're going to U-shape it back up. So, but I'm not gonna trade. I'm making a call right now. We're above the 20. We're above the 20. Can we get back up to the VWAP? Everything's looking good. We're building higher lows. We're above all the EMAs. Now we're trying to see, can we get a push with the volume coming in back up to at least this VWAP? No more trades for me. No more trades for me. This is a practice trade. It's practice. Okay, the EMAs are pointing back up. We need volume coming in. We need more buyers to push it all the way up to the VWAP of 137.36. Entry is 136.67. It's a practice trade. Entry 136.67. We got to get above 183. We got to get above 183. We got to get above 183. This is a practice trade. Keep pushing. Stop loss is if we get below the 20 on the practice trade. 136.67 is the entry. A lot of wishy-washy. A lot of wishy-washy. This is what I'll be looking at. A lot of wishy-washy going on right now. My entry is 136.67. If we don't get above the 80, I got to get out. Even though I say the stop loss is up under the 20, I will get out early. Boom, I get out right now. I got out. Probably with a 1%, but I got out. That's simply like that. Even though my stop loss is below the 20, if I see that it's not going my way on the wishy-washy, I get out. I was looking for the push above 136.80. It didn't happen. I just got out. Rethink, reload, replan the next trade. See, I didn't even let it hit my stop loss, right? Because I'm looking for it to get above the 136.80, and it wasn't doing it. I'm in at 136.67. I'm looking for the break of 136.80 for the push on up to the VWAP, but we was not getting it. So what did I do? I just got out. I didn't even let it hit the stop loss. I just got out. So I let the candles dictate what's gonna happen. Even though my stop loss is up under the up under the 20. Now, if I'd have let it go to my stop loss would have been triggered, and I'd have took a small loss. But I try not to let it get to the stop loss because I'm looking at the candles. If the candles are not doing what I wanted to do, which I wanted it to get above the 136.80 while I was in the trade, it didn't do it. I waited. It didn't get above the 136.80, and I went on and jumped out before it even got to the stop loss. So that's how it goes with me anyway. That's how I do it. Even though I have my stop loss, if the candles are not doing what I wanted to do, I get out and I reload. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. That's how I do it. That's how I minimize my risk and I maximize my rewards. Because I know I can always trade again. So if the candle is not moving in my direction while I'm in that trade, I get out. I get out. See, we still having trouble trying to get over the 80, right? I see we having trouble getting over the 80, and look, we get over the 80. But while I was in the trade, I wanted it to get over the 80, and it didn't do it. So I had to get out. Now it's over the 80. I can consider, okay, reloading and getting back in. Because in my opinion, I think we're going to go back to that VWAP, which is right here. I can reload, get back in, because everything, well, why would you want to reload, Stock Sniper? Because we've got all this going on. Look, we're building higher lows. We're building higher lows. All the EMAs are pointing up. The VWAP is sitting right here. We over the 80. And all we need is a good push of the buyers coming in, and we're going to be headed towards that VWAP. That's all we need is some buyers to come in and push it up. That's all we need. But of course, it's Friday. Got to take that into consideration. Let's see how long we've been live. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'm trying to see if we're going to get up to the 137.30 before I end the live. We're up under the uptrend now. It's going to pull down raining today. That's the thing, man. With you minimize your risk and you maximize your reward. If the candle is not going my way, I get out and I re-establish my position. I re-establish it. That's a lot of that's the trouble that a lot of traders have, is that they stay in the trade too long and it's not going for them, right? They stay in it too long and they end up hitting the stop loss. Now look, see, I called the play out. We're going up to the VWAP. We're going up there, 137. We got to get above the 137. All we need is one more good push. One more good push to get to that VWAP. We are 20 cents away from the target. We need one good push. One good push up to that VWAP. There you go. One good push. Even though the VWAP, that's another thing that's going on. The VWAP is starting to go down. Now we're at 137.30 on the VWAP. So something's going to happen in a little bit, but we got to get to the target first. The target is the VWAP. 137.20. 137.20 on the VWAP. $137.20. On the VWAP. I think I'm going to take my name off the bottom right there. I think I'm going to take that off. Here we go again, touching that uptrend line. We're touching the uptrend line again. We're touching the uptrend line again. Here comes that lower shadow trying to peep out. Tesla is green. Microsoft is green. Facebook been green. No, Microsoft been green majority of the day. So things are starting to pick up. Some of these companies are getting close to turning green. It is 9:15 in the morning. Barely 45 minutes the market been open. 45 minutes. $45 minutes. $45 minutes. We broke that uptrend. Will we get up under the EMAs? That's the question. Let's see what the SPY doing. Moving on up. The S&P 500 is moving on up. Let's see. 50 minutes. See, now the VWAP is 137.28. Steady going down. That VWAP steady creeping on down, trying to meet up with these EMAs on NVIDIA. Coming up on 9:20 in the market. 40 minutes that the market has been open. Been a great day so far. Well, which my day is over. I'm not trading no more. 2 trades, 33%. Both trades was to the short side. Both trades were to the downside. That's it. Done for the day. What a good bounce off the 136. See, we're still trying to get up to that VWAP. Like I said, we gonna get up to that VWAP. It just take time. It just took a little bit of time. $137.17. $130. Oh, here we go. Another push. Get above it. There we go. Target hit. Called out the play. It was slow and steady, but we target hit. And there we go. We're above the VWAP. Target hit. Can we get a clear break of the VWAP? Another push. Can we get another push? Well, I said I was going to end it once we get to the VWAP. So another 5 more minutes as we break the VWAP. We're trying to break it. We hit the target of the VWAP. We hit our target. It took a while, but we got there. But we got there. We getting rejected at the VWAP at this time. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, there go that lower shadow. We got to zoom in on this candle and this VWAP area. Very, very crucial. Lower shadow. Lower shadow rejection. We at the 9 EMA. Will we bounce off the 9 EMA to get back above that VWAP and keep it pushing? Lower shadow. Let's see. Got about 2 minutes left on this Friday. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for me. I don't think I know. It's Friday, a good 33%. We had a good week. We ran the marathon on Monday. That was a success. And we hit home runs on the stock market Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 4 days in a row. Well over 25% on the week. Great week. Great week. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me, guys. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Everybody that's been looking and watching the channel, I appreciate you. I mean, I would tell you to consider, learning how to play this game, which is the stock market, because it is an ATM machine. All you got to know is the passcode. But the passcode is a long passcode. So you got to be patient. You got to be smart. You can't be emotional. You can't be greedy. There's a lot of factors that play into being a successful day trader, right? And you got to go to school, and you really have to learn this. It's a good skill to have in the toolbox. If you think it's not for you, show it to your kids, show it to your grandkids, Show it to your brothers. Show it to your sisters. You need somebody in the family to understand this, because it will change the whole trajectory of your family generation. It will change it, right? As long as you stay down till you come up. As we break the VWAP, as you break it, can we push it on up to past 137.40? Yeah, it's a great skill to have in the toolbox, guys. Great, great skill to have. But we all should be investing long term. You know, we all should be investing long term. So with that being said, earn, spend less, and invest. 704 Wall Street is my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. Earn, spend less, and invest. With that being said, I love and I appreciate y'all. This is the one and only Stock Sniper. Till Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. I might go live this weekend and put up some videos or whatever, but I won't be back in front of these charts until Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. So with that being said, I love and I appreciate y'all. Till the next one, I'm out.